Let's solve this together. It says 8 raised to the power x plus 4 raised to the power x is equal to 36. We're required to solve for the value or values of x in this equation, okay? Now the first thing we can do here is to say that 8 is equal to 2 cubed and 4 is equal to 2 squared. So you can rewrite these to be equal to 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power of x plus 4 raised to the power 4 now is 2 squared rather. So we have 2 squared raised to the power of x again to be equal to 36. Okay. Now from here we can say that when we have a raised to the power m raised to the power of n, it's equal to a raised to the power n raised to the power of m, which is equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by n. So when this thing exists, you know it's a commutative expression or relation. Now applying this law here, we're going to have that this is now 2 raised to the power x raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power x raised to the power of 2 to be equal to 36. Now let's say that 2 raised to the power x is y. So we have y raised to the power 3 plus y, this is now raised to the power 2. Now bringing this over, you have minus 36 is equal to 0. Now I have a polynomial to solve. First of all, what we'll do here is to find the first answer for y. Okay, so which value are we going to put for y here to give us 36? Let's try. Let's put 3. 3 cubed is 27. 3 squared is 9. 27 plus 9 is 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. So we can conclude that y here, which is the first value for y, so we call it y1, is equal to 3. Okay? Moving on from here, you can do something. We can say that if y is equal to 3, it means that y, when you cross this over here, it becomes minus 3 to be equal to 0. If this is the case, we can now say let's divide this equation or this expression by y minus 3. So we'll have y cubed plus y squared minus 36 divided by y minus 3. Y cubed divided by y is y squared. Y squared times y is y cubed. Y squared times minus 3 is minus 3y squared. When you subtract, you have 4y squared. Okay, this is plus minus 36. So 4y now, or 4 divided by this is now going to be what? 4y. So this is plus 4y. Now 4y times y is plus 4y squared. 4y times this is minus 12y. When we subtract this, we have 0 here. Minus times minus is plus, so we have plus 12y minus 36. Again, we divide. 12y divided by y is plus 12. 12 times y is 12y minus 12 times 3 is 36. So when you subtract, you have 0. So finally, our second set of answers are going to be gotten from this part of the equation. Because we have y minus 3, and then we have 1y minus 3 multiply y squared plus 4y plus 12. You're going to get this. Okay? So let's do that now. Moving on from here, we can say that let's pick out the second part of this equation and equate it to 0. So we have y squared plus 4y plus 12 equals 0. Okay? Now, this is a quadratic equation that cannot be factorized. So we use the quadratic formula. What does the quadratic formula state? Quadratic formula states that when we have y to be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Okay? Now what's our a? A is the coefficient of y squared. So this is a here, this is b here, this is c here. Okay? So c is the constant term. So we have that y will be equal to minus, so we say this is b, so this is minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 12 is 48 divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. So this is now equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of This minus this is negative what? 32. Okay, now divided by 2, this is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 2, okay, on another square root like this. So 2 square root of negative 1 is I, so you can say that this is multiplied by I. Now we have times square root of 16, the square root of 16 is 4, so this is times 4, okay, divided by 2. Now this is now equal to minus 4 plus or minus, we already have that this is square root of 16, which is 4. So we have 4I root 2 divided by 2. 2 will strike 4 and strike 4 to give us 2. So this is minus 2 plus or minus 2I root 2. Okay, so these are the remaining answers for y in this equation. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.